Hello everyone! Today I want to create an album with interlocking rings. And I will use Gorgeous The Beach is Calling collection from Graphic 45. So at first I've cut 3 pieces for our covers from light to board. 2 pieces are 8 by 9 inches and one piece is 2¼ by 9 inches. So at first I want to choose sheets for my cover. I want to use this sheet for front cover and this sheet for back piece. So I need to glue this scrapbook paper on my cover. These 2 pieces are ready. Now I'm taking piece from Eco Leather. It's 6 inches by 11¼ and I'm taking 3rd piece of our cover. And I'm going to glue my third piece on eco leather, and then I'm going to glue these two pieces this way. This is my album cover, and now I want to add metal frame on the spine, but my rings are gold, so I want to ink this metal element using this wax. My golden metal frame. Now I'm taking another eco leather piece and gluing, and I'm going to glue it here. It's 5 inches by 8 3/4. I'm adding 2 chipboard pieces, and now I'm going to glue 2 cardstock pieces. They are 7 3/4 by 8 3/4. Then I'm going to glue 2 scrapbook paper pieces. They are 7 1/2 by 8 1/2. This way. Okay, my cover is almost ready. So I need to install my rings here. I'm making 2 holes for my rings and going to install it. Our cover is done, and now we can fill our album. Okay, I've added the pages to my album, and now it has a lot of room for photo. So I've added small tag here, and here is the room for photo. I can glue photo here. Small funny pocket. And I can place photo here. These are pockets for photo or some memorabilia. Photo and photo. I can add photo here, or 2 or 3 small photos. This is a belly band. Here I can place a lot of photo. And of course, photo here. Place for photo, place for photo, place for photo. And another place for photo. Here is place for photo too. Little dangle. Pretty dangle. I can place here 2 photos or photo and decoration, for example. Two photos here. Another frame. When I will glue my photos, I want to add some more decoration elements, some more decorative elements. So my album has more embellishments, more maybe dangles, more stickers and other. There is a lot of room for photo. Funny card with a little dangle. It's so nice. Oh. I like my album, but it is not a final result. But now I can add photos and all what I want. And this is a pocket. So this is my album and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and bye bye. See you soon. Bye.